Hey, it's Daniel from Study in Sweden, and it's now that time of the year where light installations and colorful trees start to pop up all over Sweden. That means that the warmest celebration of the year is just around the corner. Christmas! But are you ready for Swedish Christmas? Well, I wasn't. The thing is that every country in the world has their own things and how they celebrate Christmas. Sweden, it's awesome. There are so many little things, and I wouldn't have learned about it if it wasn't for my Swedish classmates. So I wanted to bring you all that information into this video. So let's start with the ultimate guide to Swedish Christmas traditions. Let's go! The Advent. This is the beginning of Christmas. It starts on the first Sunday of December. What you do is that you get an Advent candle. It's a candlestick that has 4 candles, and the tradition says that you should light 1 candle on the first Sunday, then 2 candles on the second Sunday, then 3, and then 4, and by that time Christmas should be a couple days away, if it's not Christmas that day. But in Sweden it's celebrated in a slightly different way. What happens is that people use the Advent candles, but they have some electric ones instead of the traditional candles, and they put these by the windows, so when you're walking down the streets you see all the windows with the candles and it looks beautiful. But on top of that they put something else. They have these lamps shaped like stars and they put them by the Advent candles, so from the street you just see a lot of stars suddenly appear, and it's a beautiful view. This is just one of the things that marks the start of Christmas, and when you see this, it really feels like Christmas. Thank you for watching. This video is part of our ultimate guide to Swedish Christmas traditions. If this is the first one you see, you should go back and watch the rest of the series. And here are some recommendations. And if you like our videos, please like and subscribe and leave a comment. And Merry Christmas from everyone in Study in Sweden.